Hey guys, good morning. Happy Monday. The week has begun, at least on this neck of the woods it has anyway. The girl should be logging into school very soon. Oh, actually, there you go. She just turned it on. Say hi, Ali. Hi. Nyanya's over there. She's cold. She's all bundled up on the couch. Say hi, Nyanya. So we're just getting our morning started. Luna just woke up, so I think I'm gonna get her lechita, and we're just gonna hang out today. I have some things I have to do around the house, so go ahead and join me for all of that, and let's get this day going. Are you gonna drink your leche with that bubble in your mouth? How are you gonna do it? You gonna take bubble? No lechita? Hey guys, so me and Luna are in here in the bathroom, as you can see, and I was just about to do my raggedy eyebrows, which I have not done in honestly maybe a year. I think I haven't done them in like a year. They probably look like it. Sorry, you're all up close into my face. But I wanted to share, I have been using these things since like I lived in Georgia back in the day. And these things are the bomb.com. Like, forget waxing your eyebrows, or if you don't want to pay for it, like I'm way too cheap and lazy for that. But I discovered these things, like the ones that you use for the legs. It comes with a whole bunch of them, and honestly I probably have had this a couple years at this point. I think the container probably cost, like when I bought it, maybe $8-9 bucks, I'm not sure, but again it lasts me more than a year. So here is, and obviously that was when I was also using it all the time throughout the year. It still has lasted me beyond the year. So you just cut them up into like small strips. They come in like giant ones because they are technically for your legs. I mean, honestly, you can use this for your stash, whatever you want. And you just cut them to the shape you want and just wax them off. So this is what they look like now. And I don't like them to be like perfect because I don't care enough to. I just want them to look a little bit groomed. So I'm going to show you what they look like once I'm done. So here's the before. just give them a little bit more shape. Here they are, they're all done, and I still have this entire piece from one of those sheets, and these things bring 40 in the container. So when I tell you this lasts forever, it lasts legit forever. Cool, right? Oh, salud. Alrighty, so I got most of the cleaning done in the house for the most part, like the bulk of the mess. Floors are all clean, they should be anyways. Over here I actually got done, you guys saw me mopping and cleaning and sprucing all of this up in the dining room. I think that's good. That back there is my recycling that I have to handle, or Alan at a later date. We're not doing that today, I don't think. And I also cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. So there's that. I also, the next project I have to do will be doing this front room. I don't know what it is about this room, but this room is a disaster. It's just like our junk collection situation right now. I took up everything that was on the floor, so that's why it looks like all crazy. This usually isn't up here. I want to change into this bedding situation that you guys saw in the last video. I'm going to change that out and put it on top of this bed. All these clothes have to be hung up. Again, I don't know what it is. The girls are just like crazy, although they're not completely to blame, because over here, again, more clutter. But this is all my clean clothes that I have to hang up, so that's my bad on me. But yeah, there's just stuff everywhere. I think it's time to get this all situated and cleaned, so that's the next thing we're gonna do. Also, can we talk about how patiently and nicely she's just sitting here watching her cartoons? Just watching her cartoons nonchalantly. Say hi, Luna. That's all we get. 10 is all we get. Alright, and these are for Allie, and I still have to go ahead and make Nyanya's too. They're good, Luna? And Luna's. What do you think? Oh, yeah. Hey, why not? Try it. Go ahead. Oh, hey, hot. Oh, ha. It's not that hot. You can have one. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can have a piece. Alright, I have officially gotten all the girls' food. I have Luna's with some corn because she loves corn. How's your tacos, babies?
Good.
Yummy? Nice and tasty? They came out really tender too. It actually broke apart really easily. Enjoy, baby. Okay, so I'm over here about to eat my food. I made something totally different for myself. And checking over here at the girls. How's your food, Nyanya?
Good.
You eat it all? Is it all gone? Was it yummy? Alright, let me get you something to drink. And you're still eating, right, Luna? Yeah. Yeah, yummy. Glad you enjoyed it. Alright guys, it is current day. What do you think? I think it turned out so good and the price of it was fantastic. I'm so glad I found this in clearance. So if you guys have your Target nearby, make sure you check just in case they have one that you guys want, because this was well worth it. This is obviously for our spare bedroom, and I'm sure the girls are gonna tear this thing up. I'm sure I'm gonna have to pick up these pillows every day, but at least it looks very pretty at the moment. I absolutely love it. I love the price especially. So yeah, I hope you guys all have a fantastic day. I'm going to be doing more vlogs because I highly enjoy it and I love being able to share my day with you all. So I'm going to try to get back on track with these schedules of Monday and Tuesday around 3 p.m. or so. I'm going to be dropping new videos, so stay tuned for that. Thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe down below, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. And yeah guys, don't forget to stay happy, stay safe, and enjoy the rest of your day, because after all, it's no one else's and it's uniquely yours. Bye guys.